Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Audi remote key fob. The battery is situated behind this cover here, so we need to remove the cover to gain access to the battery. So first thing we do is we put the blade into the upright position. Now we just need, you can just see a clip there on the case that we just need to unclip so we can remove the cover. So you get your thumb in there, apply a little bit of pressure, you can just see it's unhooked, and now we can just remove the cover. Sometimes if it hasn't been off before, it can be very stiff, so you may need to apply a little bit of pressure. Now we just get a very small ended screwdriver. We just get underneath the battery and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, like so, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, we line it all up and we just click it back in place. And there you go, it's all done.